I'll just show you, just on this technique sheet here, you can actually see here there's white and then pale blue and then darker blue dots. So this technique here, I actually put masking fluid down with a brush, the end of the brush, and let it dry, and then I painted a wash of blue. And then I put more masking fluid down, so this time it's actually going onto a blue surface, and then let it dry, and then put another wash of blue. So what I'm doing is consecutive layers of alternating between masking fluid, a wash of colour, masking fluid, a wash of colour, masking fluid, a wash of colour. So this is how you get this white dots, pale blue dots, darker blue dots on a dark blue surface. On this area here, you can see there's actually lines. So again, I've started off with a white circle, so a white circle like here, and then I've actually painted masking fluid in lines across it, let it dry, then painted a wash of blue, let it dry, and then done the masking fluid in another direction. So you can actually use masking fluid on a painted surface as long as that painted surface is dry. So I can show you how I did those lines. I'll just quickly use the end of my brush and just run my brush like that across. So this is on a painted surface. Once this dries, I could then paint another layer of blue or another colour over the top, let that dry, and then when it's all dry and I peel it off, what you'll do is you have that last layer of colour, but then blue stripes through there. So the really good thing about masking fluid is you can actually create these amazing layers by preserving colours that you've put down or preserving the white of the paper. And into the future I can actually show you other paintings where I've used a lot of masking fluid through the whole painting process. If you like this video, find more watercolour painting techniques here and subscribe to Channel NT for more workshops from Northern Territory artists. Visit channelnt.com.au.